Ayan, nagtatap na tayo ng chocolate. Ayan. Ang ating Chocobite. Chocobite yan, guys. Chocobite. Inaano na natin ang chocolate para mag-dry siya at saka mapak natin. Ayan. Pino-froze muna natin. Hello, guys! Bakit naputol yung video? Hello, guys! Kamusta mas? I'm Lily's Kitchen. Busy yung Lily's Kitchen, guys. So, hindi masyado naka-upload. So, see you in my next video. See you around.